If you want to know how to use a Rebtel calling card in 2025, the process is simple and works almost anywhere. First, scratch the card gently on the back to reveal your PIN number. This PIN is what connects you to Rebtel's system. Now take your phone and dial the local access number printed on the card or given on the Rebtel website. Once the call connects, you'll be asked to enter your PIN. Type it carefully using your phone keypad. After that, just dial the international number you want to call, starting with the country code, and press the call button. Your call will now connect using the credit available on your Rebtel card. If you're using the Rebtel mobile app, it gets even easier. Open the app. Go to the top-up or calling card section. Enter the PIN from your card, and the balance will load into your Rebtel account. From there, you can make calls directly through the app without dialing access numbers. Always check your remaining balance so you know how many minutes are left. That's it. Scratch the card, enter the PIN, dial your number, and you're good to go. Like, subscribe, and if you have any questions about Rebtel calling cards,